For this floral bunny, you can also find the line drawing in the project section. This little plush animal belongs to my son. He loves it so much that this bunny travels the world with us, and it's really fun. After you transfer the line drawing to the watercolor paper, you have to redraw it with masking fluid. This helps us to keep the edges crisp during the painting. I use Winsor & Newton masking fluid, but feel free to use what you have. This bottle has a child lock, but I have some problems with its opening. Funny, right? You can use for the masking an old brush, but nowadays I love to use the wooden part of an older brush. It's just simpler. And after drying, I can completely remove this sticky fluid. When you are asking masking fluid, you always have to wait it's drying before painting. While I was waiting for drying, I made a simple floral arrangement who I would like to fill in the bunny with flowers. This helps me to work in flow. I make my colors wet with a spray bottle so I can paint immediately with them. I begin with the rose painting. I mix a peachy color from red and orange. This is not my smallest brush, so this flower is a simplified rose, just C curves. And another rose as I blend. You can add some water to your color, it makes another hue. And the last rose. The center will be yellow here. I add later the peachy color to the rose. For the other flowers, I'll use my smaller brush. I paint clematis line flowers with 5 petals into the ears. That place is a bit tight for this flower, but it will be really lovely. And we don't need perfect flowers, just lovely flowers. Imperfect things are more naturally, I think. Therefore, while everything is still wet, I add the center to it. So my bunny will be perfectly imperfect. Another ear with another 5-petal yellow flower. And the third flower into the middle of the ears. And the center for these two. I'm totally happy with them. I have some place left for a side flower, so I fill it out with one. Let's paint a flower with irregular simple petals into the tail. Just some zigzag and it's done. The same flower into the foot. And now the center with the yellow. Both flowers are still wet, so my orange will be interesting with yellow. For the eyes, I thought the daisy-like flower will be great with ultramarine blue. Let's see how it will be. I begin with the center. Can you see, I always worry with what I begin. Sometimes I begin painting with the petals, other times with the center. I turn the paper that is comfortable for me. And you can see what I'm doing. Like the eyes of the star-eyed shepherd. Really lovely. For the nose I paint a half heart with pink or pinkish red. It's too small, something bigger. So nice. For the chest, a side flower will be great with some reddish color, with daisy petals. I think I should paint another flower with the same color to the head. A simple 5-petal flower. Oh, great. To the bottom part, we should paint cherry-like blossoms. A reddish one. Press the brush and make a circle. There is some white space in the head for another 5-petal flower. And another one for the neck. These two are star-shaped. So nice. On the back, we have a white space. A sad yellow flower would be nice here. And another one for the nose. And another one for the mouth. Oh, what's next? On the bottom part, a 5-petal flowers would be great. A yellow one perhaps. So fun! And now the center with orange. The spreading of the colors is so lovely. I think only the greenery is still missing. I paint leaves, bigger leaf, smaller leaf, leaf with one brush stroke, leaf with 2 strokes. It depends on the place. Oh, really meditative. But I have some places which are small for a leaf. Let's paint berries or filler flowers. I think some yellow fillers will be okay. With the painting section we are ready. We have to remove the masking fluid, but for that, the painting must be totally dry. Rub carefully the masking fluid with your fingers. It's easy peasy. I can see the graphite pencil lines, so I have to remove them. Just use an eraser and the lines disappear. A white brush is always good for brushing away the dust. What do you think? Is it lovely?